وترى الشمس إذا طلعت تزاور. Okay, so in wa we are going to make our lips round. وترى, ra is going to be heavy. وترى, ta is light. Okay, ta is light. وتا وترى الشمس شمس وترى الشمس إذا طلعت. So sha sound is going to be spread in your mouth of air like sh. Ashamsa, sa. Sa has whistle sound in it, and then the is going to be very soft. Id, إذا إذا طلعت طا لا ع طلع طلعت ta. Okay, so this ta is different than ta. Okay, this is light. Ta. طلعت تزاور. Okay, so ta and then za is going to have vibration in it, and then there is going to be wow, for which we need to make our lips in a round position. طلعت تزاور. Again, there is wow, so we are going to shape our lips round, and then again, ra is going to be heavy, like this. طلعت تزاور. Okay. تزاور عن كهفهم. Okay, again there is rule which says that whenever after noon sakin or tanween comes any letter from the 17 letters, from which kaf is one of them, so we are going to hide the voice of noon here like this. عن كهفهم عن كهفهم ذات اليمين وإذا غربت. Okay, ذات اليمين. This word is easy, right? The is going to be soft, and then ta. ذات اليمين وإذا. Okay. غربت. Okay, then there comes غا. Okay, غا. So غا comes is articulated from the portion of the throat which is the upper portion, which is near to the mouth. Okay, غا, and there has this gargle sound in it, like a غا 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 غرا غربت تقرضهم. Okay, غربت تقرضهم. So we're going to join ba with ta here. غرا غربت تق. So this is qaf, right? But I'm, doing something here which is called qalqala, which happens on 5 letters. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. So the voice of these letters bounces back in sakin position, like this. Taqa, taqa, taqriduhum. So again there comes da, da. So this is articulated when the back portion of the tongue, but rather, the not the back portion, the sides of the back portion of the tongue, they touches the upper wisdom or molar teeth. Okay, da, da, with, with strength, like da. So we are going to make it sound as heavy as you can. Okay, taqridu, du, du, taqriduhum. تقرضهم ذات الشمال وهم في فجوة. Okay, ذات الشمال ش ذات الشمال وهم في فجوة منه. Okay, then there is fa, fi, fajwa. Again, there comes a letter from the letters of qalqala, which is jim, faj. So the voice is going to bounce back. Fajwati min. Okay, so fajwa. For wa, we are going to shape our lips round. Fajwati min. Okay, so there is a rule here of, noon sakin or tanween, which says that whenever there is going to come tanween, okay, kindly mute your mics, everyone. I can hear someone's voice. Fajwati min. So whenever after noon sakin or tanweens come any letter from the 4 letters which are ya, waw, mim, noon. So right, there is mim here. So what we are going to do, we are going to do idgham, which is like joining the two voices. We are going to stay for a bit. We are going to do gunna, okay? Okay, we are going to do gunna. في فجوة من. Okay, في فجوة من. Okay, on kalkala on Jim, and then this rule says that we are going to join, but we are going to stay for a bit as well on meme, like this. Fajwatim min. Okay, I'm saying like min. Okay, because there is ha at the end, and whenever we are going to stop here at the ayah, we are going to, pronounce the voice of ha as well. So, min, we are not going to say min, we are going to say min, min. Okay, ha is going to be there. Min in sakin position. ذَلِكَ مِنْ آيَاتِ اللَّهِ. Okay, again I have done here same thing at Allah's name. Okay, ذَلِكَ, the is going to be soft. ذَلِكَ مِنْ آيَاتِ اللَّهِ. Okay, this was easy, right? مَنْ يَهْدِ اللَّهُ فَهُوَ الْمُهْتَدِ. Man yahdillahu. So again there is a rule here which says that whenever after noon sakin or tanweens come any letter from the four letters which are ya, waw, mim or noon, so ya is here, so we are going to join them by doing something called gunna, like man. We are going to stay for a bit. Man yahdillahu fahuwa al-muhtad. فهو. For wow, again, make your lips round. هو المهتد. Okay, muh. So ha should be prominent. Okay, muhtad. So I have stopped here. That is why I am doing kalkala here. Kalkala here means like bounces back the sound. Okay, the sound bounces back because whenever the is going to be in sakin position, so it bounces back like this. Muhtad. Tad. ومن يضلل فلن تجد له وليا مرشدا. Okay, again there's the same rule, like afternoon sakin or tanween comes ya here, so we are going to do idgham. We are going to join these two together and we are going to stay for a bit like this. May وَمَن يُضْلِلْ. Okay, so dha is here in second position. So you need to remember this, okay, that whenever dha comes in second position, the sound of it like stays in your mouth like this. You need to like it feels like your mouth is filled with air, like you, and you are going to remove the voice of dha in your mouth. You're not going to, there isn't any voice or anything coming out of your mouth when saying you. Okay, again we can say that you lil. We're not going to say yud lil, yud, like yud or something of that sort. We are going to say you lil. So we are going to raise the back part of our tongue as well in your mouth. Everything goes in your mouth like you يضلل فلن تجد له وليا مرشدا. So again there is this rule of idgham with gunna, okay, which says again that noon sakin, there is coming ta, so we are going to. Okay, so this is like ikhfa rule, okay? Whenever after noon sakin comes any letter from the 17 letters, from which ta is one of them, so we are going to hide the voice of noon. فَلَن فَلَن تَجِدَ لَهُ وَلِيًّا مُرْشِدًا. Then there is this rule which says that whenever after noon sakin or tanween is here on ya, right? Tanween comes any letter from the four letters which are ya, waw, mim, noon. So we are going to do idgham. We're going to join them together. We are going to join them together and we are going to stay for a bit. We will do gunna. Waliyam, waliyam, wali. Okay, because there is tashdid on ya. So we are going to raise our voice a bit when saying ya, because ya, whenever ya is going to have tashdid on it, then our voice raises a bit like this. Waliyam murshida. Okay, so ra is going to be heavy. Mur, because before ra sakin is coming, this dhamma. So ra is going to be heavy. Mur, mur, shi, da. Okay,